Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the burner knob on your stove. The reason why you would have to do this is because the burner knob is lost or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So you can see here on the front are our burner knobs. This stove is missing one here, so we're going to have to grab our new OEM replacement one. And so you can grab your new OEM replacement knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And as you can see here, there's this little D-shaped clip, and you're going to take the knob and line up that D-shaped hole right there. So that lines up with this. Push it on, test it out, make sure it turns, and you're all set. In case you do happen to have a broken knob or one that's not working properly, all you have to do is pull the knob straight off, just like that, and then you can replace it with your new one. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.